In a peaceful forest, a speedy rabbit and a slow tortoise lived. The rabbit always bragged about his speed, claiming no one could beat him. Tired of his boasting, the tortoise challenged him to a race. The rabbit laughed, thinking it would be easy. The forest animals gathered to watch. The race began, and the rabbit sprinted ahead, quickly leaving the tortoise behind. Confident, the rabbit decided to nap under a tree, believing he had plenty of time. Meanwhile, the tortoise moved forward steadily, never stopping. As the rabbit slept, the tortoise quietly passed him. The other animals cheered, but the rabbit remained asleep. When the rabbit woke, he saw the tortoise near the finish line. Panicking, he dashed off, but was too late. The tortoise crossed the finish line just as the rabbit arrived. The forest erupted in cheers for the tortoise. The rabbit hung his head in shame. The tortoise said, "Slow and steady wins the race." From then on, the rabbit was more humble, and the forest animals remembered the lesson: perseverance triumphs over speed. This classic fable teaches the importance of perseverance and humility in a simple and engaging way, perfect for young listeners. Thank you for watching Kids Wonderland Zone.